Hello, dear Thailand fans, it continues with the Koh Samui Beach Tour. Today we go to Choeng Mon Beach on Koh Samui, not far from Choeng. Let's see what it looks like now. The beach with the fine white sand and crystal clear water is ideal for relaxing. The Choeng Mon Beach in the northeast of Koh Samui, with its length of about 1 kilometer, is not the largest, but one of the most beautiful beaches on Koh Samui. It is also often touted as an insider tip, which seems a bit exaggerated in my view, as it is very well known. A little warning, the sand gets very hot during the day, so I recommend flip-flops on the beach walk. I speak from experience, as I filmed the beach on foot for this video and not with the drone as usual. Because Choeng Mon is also a no-fly zone like Choeng Beach. Who needs a drone? A bit of walking on the beach also has something and keeps you fit. At the moment it is very quiet. It has a few people, but most of them have probably ended up in the shade because it is quite hot so shortly after noon. And at the moment, there are no crowds of tourists on Koh Samui. It has some construction sites at the end of the beach, which are fortunately not too noisy, as you can hear in the background. As you can see, practically all restaurants, bars and resorts are open, as well as the many beach massages. And also, a dive shop from the Dive Point Diving School is located right next to the island view. In the middle of the beach it is so quiet at times that you can only hear the waves and the singing birds. Also the prices are rather moderate, in the island view for example, with 80 baht for a small bottle of beer and the usual Thai dishes which cost on average around 150 baht. There are of course also the upscale restaurants, with slightly more expensive prices. I think there should be something for everyone. Here we see the Spice Zone restaurant which belongs to the Royal Muyang 5-star hotel. Just beautiful with the waterfall and the whole complex in traditional Thai style. In the middle we see the Choeng Mon restaurant and bar. And to the left of it is the public access to the beach which also offers many parking possibilities. Soleil bungalows and their beach club, with cozy beanbags and some saxophone music invite you to chill out. In the bay some boats are anchored, including the party boat of Heaven Samui, which offers tickets for the respective parties via Facebook. I hope you liked the clip. If so, then please smash the thumbs up. Of course, you can also make comments. And for all those who want to follow my channel Motion in Paradise and the next video projects, then a subscription is recommended. I thank you for watching my clip, and see you soon in paradise.